Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Marisa.
I'm Brian.
And yes, I do have a different hair color. It is that time of year where I change my hair.
I got a new wife.
It's still me.
I got a new wife.
Surprise.
Oh gosh, where are we at?
Where
did we drive to?
So we were in Deschutes Canyon a couple of videos ago, and we are back on the Deschutes River, but in Central Oregon. The upper Deschutes, yeah. So we made it to Central Oregon. We have a April snowstorm going on in the Mount Hood area, so we had to drive around the mountain.
Yeah, we did the roundabout.
It added like an extra hour to our drive, but kept us safe.
We are on, as she said, the Deschutes River.
Lake Billy Chinook area.
Yep. We camped here once before with the rooftop tent and the Forerunner.
Yeah.
Like
it's a couple.
24?
Yeah, 2024. It was so fun, but it was so cold that night too. And guess what?
Speaking of cold, low of 23 tonight.
That is ridiculous.
But we got the diesel heater, so it's gonna be a hot box up there.
Yeah.
So we're losing sun.
Daylight real quick.
So we're gonna get set up.
Yes.
Let's do that.
Yeah,
now.
let's do that now because we're gonna have to get dinner.
But first, beer.
I meant pop the brake. Oh, we're safe now.
Oh, we're not gonna go in the canyon.
Oh.
Let's see where we put our diesel heater. Nice little cubby here.
Yeah.
We don't have the shower in, or
that's a perfect spot for it.
It just stinks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hallelujah.
It's like we're in a mansion in the hills up there.
So much groaning. All right. Got our cloud chopper on, along with our comfy hest. Well, she's already ready for it.
It's been a long week.
But look at this view.
I know, you can't beat it. Man. It's gorge.
In the gorge.
In the gorge. All right, we are doing some steak bites. I marinated them. I threw them in a baggie with olive oil and then the Kinder's blend. So it's salt, pepper, and garlic seasoning. And then we are doing my elevated mac and cheese. So I make this from just like, I don't know, whatever I make up. It's got corn pasta, a lot of garlic, garlic butter, and some Parmesan cheese in it, and then a little bit of heavy whipping cream. So I just throw in kind of anything that we have in the house and suits my mood. So yeah.
Dinner is served.
How's the steak bites?
Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man.
I got them kind of crispy.
Oh, man.
It's got that, like, crisp to it with the, like, salt and garlic.
Mm-hmm.
So good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hand gestures. Just, you get all of them.
All of them.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, there you go.
Holy monkeys.
That was good.
Yeah. That was very, 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 very good.
But it's getting
especially since
very, very, very cold.
I inhaled it.
Well, we didn't eat lunch, so there's that. All right, time to clean up and get changed into warmer clothes and get the fire going.
Yeah. All right, got everything packed up. Beer's out there chilling. Got the diesel heater out. It's ready. Let's throw the hose up on the end here. Got changed into our warm clothes and boom. Turn off the lights, shall we?
Oh.
There we go. Oh man, it got cold. And just like that, the stars started popping.
Oh my goodness.
Frickin' sideways dipper right there, bro. Oh yeah, it's Jupiter up there, right there.
The bright one?
Yep.
Okay.
Jupiter, as people call him. Venus and Uranus
Uranus.
is over there.
Okay. Where are we going next weekend?
California, beautiful.
Cali. Gray
Yep.
Ghost is going on a little trip.
Yep, he's going back to where he came from to get a little bit of upgrades and to go to a couple shows. We're gonna see it when we go
To Expo.
We'll go to
Flagstaff.
Flagstaff and Expo. So,
Yeah.
which when this video comes out will be
The day that we'll be at Expo.
at
So if
Expo.
you're in Flagstaff, just happen to be there, try to find us. We'll be there.
For the 1% of people that are going to Expo in Flagstaff.
I know, so random.
And then Jordan's gonna have it until he brings it up for
P&W.
Expo and P&W in Redmond. So,
Yeah. So we'll be there
which is like
the end of June.
20 miles that way.
Yeah.
It's like a full circle kind of thing.
I know.
You hear what's going on in the background back there?
I do. And it makes me really happy because I'm going to be really warm here in a little bit.
Hashtag diesel heater.
Hashtag happy wife. Warm wife equals happy wife.
Yep. It feels like I haven't had enough beer tonight.
Feels like I haven't had enough water.
There's that. What's
haven't
water?
had
I don't even know
enough
if I had water all day.
I know, barely.
This morning, maybe, after coffee.
In your coffee?
Could be nice and warm in Vegas right now.
How dare you say that? Like, could be $5,000 lighter in the pocketbook. Why $5,000, you ask? Well, because it's WrestleMania weekend, so therefore it would have cost us probably $2,000 for tickets, $1,000 for a hotel room for a few days, probably $1,000 for round trip tickets for each of us, and then spending money. $1,000,
Bears.
5.
You want me to shut that off so we can go to bed?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Here, let me get this over here. And then I'll do this. Okay. Huddle. Oh, that's it for our short day, night, whatever.
Short night.
Yeah. Tomorrow will be a lot longer and better. What's that say? 30. It's 30. Oh.
Cold AF. We gotta take this up with us, right? For the CO2?
Sure.
Okay.
I guess so. All right, we're gonna go up in the tent, watch a movie, and enjoy being in our hot box. So we'll see you in the morning. Enjoy this amazing time lapse.
No moon.
No moon. Oh, that's what I live for. Let's go.
All right.
See you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Yeah, we're live.
Oh,
good morning.
Good morning. What a nice, relaxing, just kind of chill day so far.
Half day.
Half day.
What is it, noon already?
Close-ish.
Nice.
Oh.
But we're all packed up. We love this spot.
Yeah.
We'll be back, of course.
We are.
Can't beat that view.
Yeah, and it got cold, you guys, last night. Oh my gosh.
Shivering.
Like
getting out at 3 a.m. and then
5:30.
5:30. It was worth it at 5:30 for that sunrise.
Yeah, it
that
really
sunrise
was.
was amazing.
Oh my goodness. But yeah, what'd you clock on your phone? 26 degrees?
26.
So you know it probably got lower than that, but
Yep. Whew.
cold.
Yeah.
But we stayed nice and warm with our diesel heater running. It worked. It was a workhorse all night.
Hot box.
It was. But
Yeah.
we are on to our next adventure to go film next week's video.
Up there.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
hopefully you enjoyed this little camping adventure, and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. We have a video out every Friday, and check out our YouTube store that has our Explore Camp Repeat merch.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's it.
All right.
Let's go.
We'll see you on the next adventure.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
We spent literally $56 on beer. That is it.
Hey. Next 3 videos though.
Yeah. Just
Well worth it.
But it's our favorite beer, and we
Write it
never
off.
get it because we can't really find it where we live. So
We're
yeah.
rambling.
Okay, we're rambling. Bye.
Let's do it.
Set up.
Let's go.
Snap.
You got a dot there. You got a dot there. You got a dot. It's got a dot. Dot. Son of a bitch! Shush!
Yeah, we don't just have cords of wood laying around.
I mean, if you want to just drop off a cord of wood in a driveway, we'll give you our address.
Yeah.
Kelso, Washington. 986 something. So might as well just be out here living like animals.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, we sure live like animals out here.
Yeah.
Steak bites and freaking...
I wonder if the tent's warm already.
Oh, I'm sure it is.
We have a lot of road trip content coming.
Like, We're road tripping for 2 weeks, but I don't even know how much content we're gonna create out of it.
10 videos.
Probably.
Just summer right there.
Pretty much.
You're welcome.
I don't know. It depends on if we go to Colorado or not. Colorado. Throw it out into the universe, people.
It's already out there. I mean, Jordan's already told us that if we want to go, we'll work expo for the Lobo Adventure trailer booth with our Lobo Adventure trailer. Got it?
Got it.
Hashtag Lobo Adventure trailers. www.lobotrailers.com.org. Come, Melody. You're my butterfly, sugar baby. Test.
Test.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. That. All folks. That's all, folks.
That's all.